Do you ever feel really hungry when you walk into your house after a bike ride? Have you ever peeled an orange with your toes? I'm gonna blow my nose with my underwear. Do you ever feel like a light bulb turning on and off when someone hits your switch? Do you know that there's a fridge inside your house? All you gotta do is just open the door and let the smell of cheese enter your nose like it's not really wet. 'Cause baby, you're my Teddy Graham. I think I'm gonna name you Pam. Let me take a bite, and then I'll eat the rest overnight. 'Cause baby, you're my Teddy Graham. You're better than this jelly jam. Let me take a bite, and then I'll eat the rest of your friends. You don't have to feel really angry when I come and steal your food. I need it more than you. If you only knew how much I love to poo. After a thunderstorm, I ride my bike again. Maybe I don't like chips, I order chicken strips so I can watch you clip. Bella is a zombie with a Sharpie. I drew a monkey. Take a walk with me and just open the door and let the smell of cheese enter your nose like it's not really wet. 'Cause baby, you're my Teddy Graham. I think I'm gonna name you Pam. Let me take a bite, and then I'll eat the rest overnight. 'Cause baby, you're my Teddy Graham. You're better than this jelly jam. Let me take a bite, and then I'll eat the rest of your friends. Oh my gosh, why did my parents name me Josh? I'm gonna go and grow some beans, and then I'll find a piece of bread. Oh my God, what's going on? I'm gonna die. 'Cause baby, you're my Teddy Graham. I think I'm gonna name you Pam. Let me take a bite, and then I'll eat the rest overnight. 'Cause baby, you're my Teddy Graham. You're better than this jelly jam. Let me take a bite, and then I'll eat the rest of your friends.